Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning back. In today's video, I'm going to review it is Himalaya's Pure Skin Neem Facial Kit. Himalaya has launched this product into a package like this. It comes in a nice handy dandy packaging wherein there are 3 different tubes, as you can see. The first one is this Himalaya's Purifying Neem Face Wash and it is 50 ml tube. The second one is this particular stuff. It is Himalaya Purifying Neem Scrub and is 50 grams tube. And then last but not the least is this product, which is Himalaya's Purifying Neem Face Pack and is also a 50-gram pack. Now these come in plastic squeezy tubes, and if you want to buy this pack, it comes for 180 rupees and it is so easy to carry anywhere you want to go. So this is something that I'm gonna try out right here and tell you how this works together. So if you want to know how I do this, please keep on watching. That's it for this video, guys. I really enjoyed doing this kind of a mini facial. This is something that I have been using individually for so many years now but then now I'm happy that they have launched a pack like this. These are amazing to be used together, all neem, all healthy, all natural, and it really did wonders to my skin. My skin looks really fresh and soft and supple. I love this product. I really hope you try it out and like it too. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you like it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please don't forget to comment down below what product would you want me to try next. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.